Right Honorable Prime Minister, all protocol observed. Good afternoon from the Lubwama family. Amanya gange nzisaabwe Conrad Lubwama. Abangi bwe mbadde muwulira atambula ne muzeeyi. Ono wano ye Julius Dumba era ye Noise Media abadde akola ku vidiyo bwa muzeeyi bonna. Ono ye ssenga wange Nabaggala adda ku muzeeyi. Ono ye Kodi Bamutinda Lubwama, our second last born. This is Chloe Naiga, Sarah. This is Mwambazi Collins. And then this is my beautiful sister, Bidugu. Sorry, Brenda Lubwama. We shared the Bidugu rule some time back. Sorry about that. Today, as we gather in this National Theatre, we celebrate the extraordinary life and legacy of our beloved father, Honorable Kato Lubwama. It is an honor to stand before you, not as just his son, but as a fellow creative, whose path were illuminated by his unwavering passion and mentorship. Our father loved his art, and art will forever love him. These words resonate deep within us, for our father's love for the arts was boundless. He poured his art and his soul into every production, every script, and every performance. His dedication and unwavering commitment inspired us all to be so strong, to carry on with moments which are difficult. Today, we would like to express our deep gratitude to the incredible individuals who walked this artistic journey and parliamentary journey with my father. We would like to thank the President, His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. We would like to thank General Salim Sali, Alhaji Nsereko Muhammad Tata. Webalire ddala kulaga muzeeyi nti omukwano omungi ennyo. I can't speak a lot because I'll break. We would like to thank the Right Honorable Prime Minister as well. We would like to thank the Right Honorable Speaker and Deputy Speaker, members of the 10th and 11th Parliament, Pastor Bujingo, Mr. Frank Gashumba, Omwami Abi Muchiri Habibi, we got you now Habibi, Besti John Segawa, Omumbeja Mariam Dagiri, tugenda fuuka balongo bumama, teweeraliikirira. Omukulu Misa Semakula, okoze ebintu by'amaanyi nnyo, oli mukulu waffe. I know you are in the States hurting, but keep calm, my brother. Haruna Mubiru, members, Mr. J.W. Katende namulabyeko, Seo mukama wange, Honorable abadde akwogerako nnyo ssebo. Weebalire ddala mwagala ebbanga lyonna n'obbanga omwamagezi. Twagala okwebaza ne Alex Mukulu, members of the Black Pulse, Africa Talent, Bakayimbira Drum Actors, Diamonds Nsimbo, Tau, Uganda Musicians Federations, Solidar, Diamonds Productions, The Dinosaurs, CBS FM, Stabo and Natoro, for all the dedication and unwavering support played on an instrumental role in bringing his creative visions to life. We are forever indebted to you for your contributions and for being part of our artistic family. To the companies that you worked with, members of MultiChoice Uganda, thank you for standing with Honorable since way back when they had just started CBS, MTN, Lemonade, Airtel, EPL, Nile Boares, Centenary Park, Scanad, Uganda Police, East African Community, Parliament of Uganda, Sauna, Law Development Center, and all those, and BNCK. Thank you so much. And Mama, Honorable yali yayimba oluyimba nga baluyita Mama Ana Gumira Konse Munnange. Katulina Gumira kuffe mami. Tukusaba
dedication. Where there is death, I mean, where there is life, there is death. It is a constant. Ashes to ashes, dust to dust, spirit to spirit. As we are all born, we acknowledge that we come from and we return to ashes. And just as the ashes return to the earth, nourishing the soil from which new life springs forth, his spirit too will find a place in the collective consciousness, forever woven into the tapestry of memories and experiences we've shared with him. His spirit will stay with us. Let us find solace in the knowledge that his spirit, his essence, continues to live on, untethered to the limitations of the physical body. Let us find comfort in the knowledge that he has returned to his divine source, and let us remember that his spirit lives on within us, fueling our actions and shaping our futures. Through the memories we hold and share, and the lessons that we'll carry forward, his spirit will continue to thrive and will forever be intertwined with ours. Thank you for your time.
Abaana bano bonna bansabye ne bwe baatulako ekigambo kimu kuba bakwagala ate olunaku lwa kitaabwe kaboogere eddakiika emu emu ffe nga twogedde jangu.
Good evening, everyone. I thank you for every single person that is here to come and celebrate my dad. He was a very honest and good, kind man. And I'm very happy that he lived out his life as good as he could. I wanted him to just stay a little bit longer when I finished my primary, but God had different plans. For I know Angel Raphael will come and heal our family's souls. I also know that Angel Michael will come and protect our family from any harm that may come our way. And may everything be peace, especially my dad's soul. For I know the Lord shall help us. And I also want to continue out his legacy throughout our family generations. I want his legacy to live throughout generation after generation after generation after generation. It shall never end until the end of time. Not until when judgment day comes. The legacy shall still be living. Thank you very much for your time.
Engalo za kodi Julius ono Honorable Kato yakutukira mu ngalo z'ono. Please.
Right Honorable Speaker. That skipped my mind. Science Okulaba, Right Honorable Prime Minister. Ebyange si bingi. Ekisooka kuubwa ffenga bwe tubadde tumuyita. Tubadde tutambulira ku principle emu. Tubadde tutambulira ku principle eya definitely I'm not here to suffer. I'm here to enjoy life. Fenna era n'abantu abalala eyo abazze bamulaba ye obulamu bwe abadde abulivinga to the fullest. Oba ayina ssente oba tayina, twava wano ne tugenda ettaka Honorable Siso yakimanyi ne Haji Nsereko nga tulina miliyoni 5 zokka naye twavaayo bingi. Mbebaza mwenna naddala Alhaji Spring kwebaza na buli omu yenna. Nsaba ng'era kodi bwagambye kuba kyekirooto kya Kuubwa legase ye kugenda mu maaso naddala eggwanga lino okubeera ne one stop center nga bw'olaba America bweyina Hollywood, Uganda efune film city. Era yali ayagala nnyo gituuma maama we Naalongo because twali tugezaako nnyo efforts zonna ne zigaana. Uncle John onatusonyiwa twagezaako wadde honorable yagezangako nnyo okubyekolera kino kyamuyinza kyali kinene because ayagala kukolera industry entertainment yonna, bayimbi, theaters, auditorium ezisinga wano obunene byonna mu film city. Eyo dream yali nene kyoba olaba yareachinga out ewa Meja ndi walano yamutuuse wafande sale kuba gavumenti yesobola okikola neyanze.